Here's where I left off with the last video. The fillets are brazed, the serial number and head badges are on, and all the stops, guides, and mounts are attached. Next up is getting the frame cleaned up and ready for parts. In this video, I'll slot and ream the seat tube, get the head tube and bottom bracket shell faced and chased, clean up the fillets, do one last alignment check, drill a drain hole in the bottom bracket shell, and get a final weight on the frame. Spoiler alert, it's not light. Thanks for tuning in. The first thing I did was cut the seat tube slot. I should have reamed the tube first, but I forgot to check my notes before heading to the garage and I just started working. It's better to ream the seat tube first so the cutters don't get caught on the slot, but I didn't have any issues. Once I'm able to install a seat post, it's ready to bring to the bike shop for facing and chasing. As always, thanks to Angry Catfish for the great service. Next step is to clean up the fillets. I'm basically just sanding down the high spots. I don't try to get super polished fillets like most frame builders. I don't have the time and, more importantly, the skill to get that ultra smooth transition between the fillet and the tube without undercutting it. I just smooth the fillet up to the edge of the bronze as best I can and call it good. Now it's time to clean up the rest of the frame. I started by cleaning up the serial number and head badges, then I smoothed out some of the brazing at the dropouts, and finally used strips of emery cloth to shine up the tubes. Next up is drilling a drain hole in the bottom bracket shell. I want to make sure the frame is level so the hole is at the very bottom of the shell and the water can drain out. Here I'm checking to see how well the dropouts are aligned to the head tube and the seat tube. Looks to be less than 1 millimeter, which is definitely good enough for me. Next I checked the dropout spacing, which was also good. Then I checked how well the wheel is centered in the chainstays. Again, less than 1 millimeter off is fine by me. Lastly, I checked to see how much it weighs, and it's a beast. Granted, this is a burly, double extra large frame, but it's still pretty hefty. The only production frame I could find with a similar weight is a Surly ECR. So yeah, definitely heavy duty. I think my next frame project might be to try and build a frame that's under 6 pounds. And there it is, all done except for paint and parts. I just gotta wait for it to get warm enough in the garage. In the meantime, I'll be doing the prep work for a couple other projects I have planned for 2026, so stay tuned. In the next video of the series, I'll prep the frame for paint, build it up, and take it for a test ride. If you're enjoying this channel, consider a super thanks. And if you haven't watched my other videos, go check them out. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.